Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll talk about this product. We're going to cover what it is used for, drawbacks of this chemical, how to get started, and where and when to apply. Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.
Cyonara 9.7 is a Lambda-cyhalothrin insecticide. This product is a synthetic pyrethroid that works by interfering with the insect's nervous system. Cyonara controls many different species of insects, but we typically recommend it primarily for outdoor use to control ants, cockroaches, mosquitoes, and flies. Cyonara has a powerful knockdown and long-lasting residual, but it's mainly limited to outdoor treatments. Cyonara can be used indoors, but only as a spot and crack and crevice treatment. Cyonara also cannot be applied to plants that are flowering or during flowering seasons, as it can kill pollinating insects. If these concern you, check out Flex 1010 or Novicide aerosol. Flex 1010 can be used indoors and outdoors as a broadcast spray to control many different pests, as well as a mattress treatment for bed bugs. Novicide can also be used indoors as a broadcast spray, and it has an insect growth regulator in the formula. This means that Novicide not only kills adult pests, but it also inhibits the growth of younger pests to eliminate them before they can mature. Before using Cyonara, be sure to wear proper personal protective equipment, or PPE. You can mix Cyonara at a rate of 0.2 to 0.8 fluid ounces per gallon of water, depending on the level of infestation and your targeted pest. Always follow label directions for proper mix rate and do not over-apply. Cyonara 9.7 comes in an easy-to-use squeeze and measure bottle. To measure the product, remove the cap on the smaller measuring reservoir and squeeze the bottle. Use the measurement lines on the reservoir to collect the required amount. Fill your sprayer halfway with water and then add the product. Add the rest of the water and thoroughly agitate your sprayer and you're ready to apply. Cyonara can be used to broadcast over your lawn and ornamentals, as a spot or crack and crevice treatment around structures, or as a barrier treatment around structures. Spot treat areas where insects can gain access to a structure, such as weep holes, vents, and where electrical and plumbing penetrate the walls. You can also broadcast the product over your lawn and ornamentals to control a wide variety of plant pests. You can apply Cyonara with either a pump sprayer, a hose-in sprayer, a backpack sprayer, or a spray rig for large volume application. Cyonara should not be watered in after application and should not be applied during rain or if rain is in the immediate forecast. Keep all pets and people off the treated areas until they're dry. Cyonara has a residual of up to 60 days. We typically recommend spraying every 2 months for continual control. Cyonara is not an instant kill. Once the insect comes into contact with the chemical, it can take 30 minutes to die. Depending on your target pest's life cycle, you may need to reapply in 14 to 21 days. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of one product. Typically, you'll also need an insect growth regulator and bait or dust for complete control. For each insect, we've come up with a treatment method that we guarantee 100% to work. Click the card in the top right to get more information.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.